Imagine waking up one morning, enjoying a simple drink, and feeling your vision sharpen, as if the world suddenly snapped into vivid focus. It might seem like a dream, but what if a morning drink, backed by compelling science, could truly help restore and safeguard your eyesight? Many believe vision loss is an unavoidable part of aging, something you just accept as the years pile on. Yet, groundbreaking research shows specific nutrients in everyday foods can work wonders, not just halting vision decline, but sometimes enhancing clarity and vibrancy. Here's the kicker. It's not a costly pill or a daunting procedure. It's completely natural, and you might already have the ingredients in your pantry. Doctors often overlook this because it's affordable, simple, and doesn't need a prescription. But studies and real-world stories reveal that the right morning drink can improve blood flow to your eyes, shield fragile retinal cells, and even help reverse years of strain. For seniors, this could translate to more freedom, greater confidence, and countless moments cherishing life's details, like a grandchild's grin or a glowing sunrise. Don't dismiss this as another health fad. This could be the game changer your eye health needs. I want you to join the conversation. Drop a comment with your age, location, and any recent changes in your vision. Have you explored natural remedies for your eyes? Share your experience below. And while you're here, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical, science-driven health tips that can transform your life. Let's dive right in with our first morning drink, carrot juice. It might seem like a simple choice, but its impact on your eye health is anything but ordinary. Carrot juice is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with eye-protecting compounds that can enhance your vision and shield against age-related decline. Rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, carrots are vital for keeping your retina healthy, particularly the rod cells that help you see in low light. Without sufficient vitamin A, your eyes struggle to translate light into brain signals, potentially leading to night blindness or worse. Carrot juice also delivers antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as a shield against harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that individuals with higher carotenoid levels in their blood had a 40% lower risk of advanced age-related macular degeneration. That's right. Your daily carrot juice could be a secret weapon for long-term eye health. Take Susan, 70, from Colorado. For years, she struggled with dim vision at dusk, making evening walks tricky. Her optometrist warned of early macular degeneration. Determined to fight back, Susan started sipping a small glass of fresh carrot juice most mornings, paired with nutrient-dense meals. Within 6 months, she noticed sharper daytime vision and better clarity in low light. Her latest eye exam showed her condition hadn't worsened, a result her doctor called impressive. To make carrot juice work for you, stick to a 4 to 6 ounce serving a few times a week. Overdoing beta-carotene can cause carotenemia, a harmless condition where your skin turns orange. Pair it with healthy fats like avocado or almonds to boost carotenoid absorption. Opt for fresh, cold-pressed juice. Store-bought versions often pack sugar and lose potency. Your eyes deserve daily care, and carrot juice is a simple start. Next up, let's explore the spinach smoothie, a green drink that's anything but ordinary. Packed with eye-loving nutrients, spinach smoothies are a vision-boosting gem. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids concentrated in the macula, the part of your retina responsible for crisp, detailed vision. These compounds filter blue light and combat oxidative stress, lowering your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A JAMA ophthalmology study showed that those with higher lutein and zeaxanthin intake had a 43% reduced risk of advanced macular degeneration compared to those with minimal consumption. Spinach also offers vitamin K, folate, and nitrates, which enhance blood flow to the eyes, delivering oxygen and nutrients they crave. Consider Robert, 69, from Texas. After his eye exam flagged early cataract signs, he overhauled his mornings with a daily spinach smoothie, a handful of spinach, half a banana, almond milk, and a dash of chia seeds. A year later, his cataracts hadn't progressed, and he could read small print with ease. His ophthalmologist was stunned by his eye's resilience for his age. To maximize spinach smoothies, pair spinach with healthy fats like nut butter or avocado for better nutrient absorption. Use fresh or lightly frozen spinach. Boiling leaches nutrients. Balance with fruit and protein to stabilize blood sugar. Aim for 3 to 4 servings weekly for lasting benefits. Your eyes are like a camera. A clearer lens and healthier sensor mean a sharper life. Now let's talk about orange juice. Not just a breakfast classic, but a potent ally for your eyes when consumed thoughtfully. Bursting with vitamin C, orange juice strengthens retinal blood vessels and supports collagen in your cornea and sclera. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C fights oxidative damage linked to cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. It works synergistically with vitamin E and carotenoids to keep eye tissues youthful. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily fresh orange juice drinkers had a 33% lower risk of late-stage AMD compared to those who rarely drank it. The key? Fresh juice. Store-bought versions often contain added sugars and preservatives with fewer antioxidants due to heat processing. Finally, let's explore green tea, a simple yet powerful drink for your eyes, heart, and brain. Rich in catechins, green tea's antioxidants combat oxidative stress in delicate eye tissues, protecting against cataracts, glaucoma, and AMD. A Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study found catechins reach eye tissues within hours, offering direct protection. Another in molecular vision showed regular green tea drinkers had lower rates of eye diseases. Its modest caffeine boosts alertness without coffee's jitters. David, 69, from Nevada, struggled with eye dryness and focus issues. Swapping coffee for green tea, he noticed less eye strain and steadier energy within a month. His optometrist praised his better-than-expected eye health. Aim for 2 to 3 cups daily, using high-quality loose leaf or organic tea bags. Avoid sugar. A lemon slice boosts flavor and absorption. Decaf options work for caffeine-sensitive folks. Green tea is your daily shield for clearer eyes and a sharper mind.